Have you ever bought something simple, like a new pair of shoes? It was a harmless purchase, but when you put them on, your everyday jeans suddenly look faded. So you buy new jeans to match the shoes. Then, your old jacket looks cheap next to the new jeans, so you buy a new jacket. You didn't just buy shoes, you unknowingly authorized a complete wardrobe makeover. Why does this happen? Welcome to the Wealth Psychologist. Your brain has a dangerous glitch when it comes to buying things. Psychologists call it the Diderot Effect, but I call it the upgrade trap. It happens in 3 distinct phases. Phase 1, the innocent purchase. You buy one new item, a sleek couch for your living room. You feel happy, you feel successful. But then, phase 2 begins, the harmony glitch. The human brain craves visual harmony. When you put that shiny new couch in an older room, it doesn't fit. Suddenly, the rug you loved yesterday looks terrible. The coffee table looks outdated. The new item creates artificial dissatisfaction with everything around it, which leads to phase 3, the spiral. To restore harmony, your brain convinces you to upgrade the environment. You buy the new rug, then the table, then a bigger TV. One innocent purchase acts as a domino, knocking down your entire savings rate. The exact same thing happens with technology. You buy a new phone, suddenly you need the matching wireless earbuds, then the matching smartwatch. The upgrade trap is a silent wealth destroyer. So how do you break the chain? You use the 48-hour quarantine rule. Before you buy any non-essential item, you force a 48-hour pause. You do not say no to the purchase, you just delay it. This gives your brain time to step off the dopamine high and allows logic to ask the critical question: what else will I feel forced to buy if I bring this home? Wealthy people understand that true cost is rarely just the price tag. The true cost is the chain reaction that follows. If you want to protect your wealth from your own psychology, subscribe to the Wealth Psychologist, because the most expensive thing you will ever own is an unexamined mind.